busy child.
Hello, little friends! Look who's here! It's Panda! Panda is excited to go on a fun adventure. Are you ready to join him? Let's go! Wow! Panda is climbing a tall green hill. Step, step, step. Can you climb with him? Let's stretch our legs just like Panda. Look at this beautiful forest. Red flowers, yellow butterflies, and blue birds flying everywhere. Can you say the colors with Panda? Red, yellow, blue. Panda sees floating shakes in the sky. There's a red square, a green triangle, and a blue diamond. It's a party in the bamboo forest. Panda's friends are here. There are balloons, music, and so much fun. Let's dance like Panda. It's time to say goodbye to Panda. But don't be sad. He'll be back soon with more fun. Wave goodbye and say, "See you soon, Panda." Thanks for joining us on Kiddi Ka Boom. Please like and subscribe us for more Panda series.